Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel Let's Talk About. And we talk about things ranging from sports, movies, music, TV series, traveling, and general events around us.
This week, we are going to talk about 5 underrated series who don't get the attention that they deserve. So, if you are free this weekend, pick out any one of these 5 series and start watching.
We have selected series from 5 genres: comedy, drama, crime thriller, history, and feel good. So you can pick up any genre based on your taste and mood and start watching today.
The first series that we recommend is in the comedy genre, That 70s Show. If you pick out any list of greatest sitcoms, names like Friends, Seinfeld, How I Met Your Mother, Big Bang Theory are of common occurrence. One show that no one really talks about is That 70s Show, which is as funny, if not funnier than them. That 70s Show is rated 8.1 on IMDb and 9 by 10 on TV.com. Starring well-known actors like Ashton Kutcher, Mila Kunis, Topher Grace, Laura Prepon, this is one show which will make you laugh in every episode. Set in the 70s in a small town of Wisconsin, That 70s Show has 9 seasons. If you are in the mood for something funny, start watching today.
Our next series is from drama category and it's called Ozark. Its IMDb rating is 8.4 and TV.com 8.5. This is a family drama and crime thriller that keeps your interest intact till the last episode of the last season. And yes, it keeps getting better with every season. The show is called The Breaking Bad of Money Laundering. So if you are a fan of Breaking Bad, you'll definitely like it. It stars Jason Bateman, Laura Linney, who is a 3-time Oscar-nominated actress, and Julia Garner, who has won Emmy Award for her role in this series. It has 3 seasons, each with episode length 45 to 50 minutes, and it's available on Netflix, and season 4 will be hopefully out soon. Coming to our next series, which is from history category, and it's called Vikings. Its IMDb rating is 8.5 and TV.com 9.1. Vikings used to be the inhabitants of northern Europe in 700 AD, and they were known for their fighting skills, fearlessness, and faith in their own ancient gods. This show stars Travis Finnell as Ragnar Lothbrok, who is the lead character, and the story of how he rose from being a farmer to a warrior and the greatest leader of Vikings that ever was. The show also stars Catherine Winnick as Lagartha and Gustav Skarsgård as Floki in other lead roles. It has 6 seasons, each of episode length 45 to 50 minutes, and it's available on Netflix.
The next category is crime thriller, and the show is Peaky Blinders, which by the way is my favorite show on the list. Set in the 1920s in post-World War I era, this is the story of rise of Thomas Shelby as the leader of Peaky Blinders, who was the mafia lord of England at that time. This show is rated 8.8 on IMDb and 8.9 on TV.com. Starring Hollywood heavyweights like Cillian Murphy and Tom Hardy, this show is full of amazing performances, amazing cinematography, and of course, its badass soundtrack. All 5 seasons are available on Netflix, with the 6th season coming out soon.
And the last series in our list is the only Indian series out of 5, and it's called Gullak. Gullak is yet another feel-good series created by TVF, similar to Panchayat, and you can watch it with your family. Its IMDb rating is 9.2, which is really good given an Indian series. And Gullak is a series about small, simple incidences that keep happening in every other house in a small town. This shows the daily life of a family of a small town and has no story as such. As they keep saying, "Ye kahani nahi hai, ye sirf kisse hain." It stars gangs of Wasipur fame Jameel Khan along with actress Gitanjali Kulkarni and Harsh Meyer. So yes, if you are from a small town, it's definitely relatable to you. It has 2 seasons, each of episode length 20 minutes, and you can watch it all in one go. It's available on Sony Live.
This ends our list. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe if you are new to our channel, and follow us on Instagram at the rate of LTA434.
Do let us know if you agree with our list or you have other series in mind in the comment section. We'll be back with the review of movie The White Tiger real soon, so stay tuned. Goodbye and happy weekend.